This is AKEEYO Ice, the most advanced car dash cam I've ever used. It has two front cameras, a rear camera that captures what's behind you, a convenient 4 inches touchscreen display, and a suite of AI features. Let's dive in. The device arrives in a box labeled as a Bionic AI dashcam. I also have the hardwire kit, which is useful for parking surveillance and other features. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get started, including mounts, 3M adhesive stickers, cables, a charger, a crowbar, and a few electrostatic stickers. The rear camera comes with a very long cable designed to fit pretty much any car. The AKEEYO Ice is well built, featuring a large 3.99 inches display that lets you see the live view of all 3 cameras, access numerous features, and adjust various settings that I'll cover shortly. This dashcam includes 2 front cameras and an adjustable mount angle, which makes installation a breeze. It has a micro SD card slot, speaker grills, a mic, and a reset key on the bottom. On the right side, there is a display on and off switch, and on the left, you'll find the power button. The unit features a USB Type-C port for power and another for the rear camera. The rear camera has a 360-degree swivel design, allowing you to adjust the filming angle easily. Overall, I like the aesthetic and build quality of both the main unit and the rear camera. They look durable and well designed. Let's start with the core of this dashcam, its advanced optical capabilities. AKEEYO has equipped it with 2 powerful lenses, both capable of recording in 2K resolution. First, there is the Sony Starvis 2 IMX335 lens with a long focus or telephoto feature. This lens captures ultra-clear details up to 50 meters away, essential for high-speed driving or capturing fine details from a distance. It can mean the difference between capturing a license plate or missing it entirely in case of an accident. The Sony Starvis 2 technology here really shines, maintaining high image quality even in challenging lighting conditions. Additionally, there is a 135-degree wide-angle Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 lens for the front camera. This wide-angle view provides excellent lane-to-lane coverage, capturing everything happening around you, not just directly in front. Both lenses perform well in various lighting conditions, from bright daylight to dark and nighttime roads. You can see in this night footage just how well it performs. It retains details in both shadows and bright spots. It's genuinely impressive for a dashcam. Daylight image quality is outstanding and rivals cameras that record in 4K resolution. The footage is sharp and detailed, capturing all the essentials: road signs, license plates, and more. I tested the setup in sunny, cloudy, and rainy conditions, and it consistently delivered impressive video quality. There is also a 151-degree rear camera that records in 2K resolution. This rear camera captures a wide view of everything behind you, so whether you're concerned about tailgaters or want full documentation of what's happening around your car, it's got you covered. The rear camera's video quality also impressed me, capturing all necessary details. But this dashcam isn't just about recording. The AKEEYO Ice integrates AI safety features that actively help keep you safe on the road. The dual camera setup significantly enhances the accuracy of the smart features compared to the dash cameras with only one camera sensor. For instance, the Ice dashcam includes forward collision warning, which uses the front camera to detect vehicles ahead and warns you if you're getting too close, helping to reduce the risk of rear-end collisions. Similarly, it has lane departure warning that notifies you if you start drifting out of your lane. This feature is great for long drives when fatigue might set in, gently alerting you if you begin to veer out of your lane. The Ice dashcam also has pedestrian detection, which spots people crossing in front of you. In particular, this feature is useful in busy city areas or parking lots where pedestrians may suddenly appear in your path. You'll receive a quick warning, giving you extra time to react and prevent potential accidents. Then, there are 2 more safety features that I found particularly useful. The forward vehicle start alarm is a small but helpful feature that alerts you when the car in front of you starts moving, perfect for those times you are stopped in traffic or at a light and may get distracted. Finally, the blind spot detection system is invaluable when changing lanes. It alerts you if a vehicle is in your blind spot, adding an extra layer of safety during lane changes. AKEEYO has made it easy to interact with this dashcam through connectivity and control options. The AKEEYO dashcam has built-in Wi-Fi, enabling you to connect it directly to your smartphone using the AKEEYO app. This app allows you to view footage in real time, download videos, and adjust settings directly from your phone. No need to remove the SD card every time you want to save a clip. Just open the app and you're good to go. The app also allows you to see the live view of each camera individually, start or stop recording manually, take photos, turn sound recording on and off, as well as adjust almost the same settings available on the dashcam itself. The dashcam also features voice control, allowing you to perform tasks like taking photos or starting recordings simply by speaking. This hands-free functionality is ideal for focusing on driving while still capturing what is on the road. The AKEEYO dashcam offers several versatile recording options for different driving scenarios. Loop recording means it records continuously in loops, automatically overwriting older footage as the memory fills up. This ensures you're always recording without needing to clear storage manually. It also includes a G sensor. This feature locks footage when it detects a sudden impact, preserving it even during loop recording. This is crucial for insurance claims or providing evidence after an incident on the road. And finally, there is parking monitor mode. This mode keeps the dashcam on standby when your car is parked, recording any detected motion or impact. It adds an extra level of protection for your car when you're not around, especially if parked in busy or high-risk areas. The user interface of the dashcam is simple and user-friendly. The device powers on and off automatically with your car's ignition, though you can also operate it manually by holding down the power button. If you find the live view distracting, you can turn off the display. The quick access menu lets you control essential features swiftly, such as sound recording, Wi-Fi, and camera selection. You can also take photos or return to the home screen with a single tap. Watching recorded footage on the 4-inch display is convenient compared to dashcams with smaller screens. The recording settings menu allows adjustments to each camera's resolution and video quality settings. The system settings menu includes options for connectivity, sound, language, speed unit, screen brightness, and more. The AKEEYO AKEEYO dashcam is a top-tier choice with dual front cameras and a 2K resolution rear camera, capturing high-quality footage from all angles. The Sony Starvis 2 lenses excel in diverse lighting conditions, ensuring clear details day and night. Its AI safety features, including forward collision, lane departure, pedestrian detection, and blind spot monitoring, add an extra layer of protection, providing timely alerts for safer driving. The AKEEYO app and voice control make accessing recordings and adjusting settings effortless. With loop recording, G-sensor protection, and parking monitor mode, this dashcam is a comprehensive, user-friendly tool that enhances both safety and convenience. As a reviewer, I highly recommend the AKEEYO AKEEYO for its reliability and advanced features, making it an excellent choice for any driver. What do you think about this dash camera? Would you buy this one or would you choose another option? Tell me in the comment section down below what you think. Also like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.